My 880, little 260 or 026 eBay find, and this is a tree I cut down that was way up on that hillside, and I told the customer that it was going to destroy pretty much the hillside, and it did. And this is a log I'm milling up. I just purchased this aluminum channel because, as we all know, straighter than any board, so I'm using that as my guide. And there's some, I guess you could say, dunnage that I found. I think I got this set up pretty good, and I'm pretty much going to start ripping some 2x6s out of this. And the channel's 12'6", so it'll give me a good 12 foot. And there's the log. So I'm going to try to do this maybe one more time, and then we'll see how that goes. So anyways, thanks for watching, and that's it.